Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you top tricks for your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use gestures on your earbuds, and with the gestures you can play or pause the song or the movie. You can increase or lower the volume. You can play next or previous track or next or previous video. You can also call voice assistant with them, and you can customize them in the application. So we have TOZO app. You need to go to the settings, and right here we have touch controls. So we have the left and right earbud, and you can set something else, but you cannot change press and hold. So you have only volume control here, but it's a good one. Next, you can improve your listening experience by changing Equalizer presets. Now, what the best? Firstly, TOZO offer a lot of presets for us, as you can see, but we can also use presets what made by another users. You need to go to Equalizer zone, and right here we have a lot of them. I actually use one of these presets, this one. But you can select something else, you just tap on it, try out, now you use it, and you can save this preset for you. So you need to only tap the one of these dots, and then click at the diskette icon, then name it, and you will have it. Right here, as you can see, I have this custom preset from the user. Okay, confirm. Next one, if you lose your earbuds, you can find them using application. You need to go to the settings, and right here we have Find My Earbuds, and you can play a sound for your earbuds. You can increase the volume, but don't use your earbuds when you found them, because it can destroy your hearing. Also, right here, these earbuds have really cool feature that you can remove water from your earbuds. It's called water drainage for earbuds, and you enter here and you can use it. So what this mod do is to it used sound vibration to push water out from your speakers grills. Right here we have speaker grills, and you just click, as I said, start, and then you need to wipe your earbuds with a dry cloth. So it's a good one, but I don't recommend it to use to overuse this mod, because you could damage your earbuds with this mod. But sometimes if you need it, it's a good one, really, I like it. Also, I tested a microphone at these earbuds, and these earbuds have a good microphone. So I hear myself clearly when I spoke normally without background sound. When I spoke with the background sounds, this microphone totally mute background sounds, but also it a bit distorted your voice, but totally mute street sounds, so it's really good one. And when I spoke softly, it was a bit quiet, but still I hear myself. Now, if you have some problem with your earbud, you can perform a factory reset on them. So you need to unpair these earbuds from your phone, then you turn off them by press and hold at the touch areas. Then you need to, after you turn off them, press and hold again until the LED lights start flashing blue. And after that you need to press and hold 3 times again, and you will just enter to pairing mode, so you can easily reconnect them. At this channel we have video how to do this, so you can check it if you don't know how to do this. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!